In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language setting in your Mailchimp account. Whether you're collaborating with a global team or you simply prefer to use Mailchimp in another language, adjusting your settings is a quick and easy process. Let's dive in and make those changes together. First things first, you'll want to access your Mailchimp account. Open your preferred web browser and visit the Mailchimp website. Once there, look for the login option. Clicking this will take you to the login page where you're prompted to enter your account details. When you've reached the login page, you'll see two fields asking for your username or email and your password. Start by typing in your username or email. Make sure you enter the one associated with your Mailchimp account to avoid any login issues. After you've entered your username or email, move on to the password field. Here you'll type in your password. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so ensure you're entering it exactly as it was set up. With your credentials filled in, it's time to log in. Simply click the login button and you'll be brought to the main dashboard of your Mailchimp account. This page is essentially your control panel, where you can manage campaigns, view reports, and of course adjust your account settings. Now, to change the language setting, start by locating your profile at the top right corner of the Mailchimp dashboard. Your profile might display your name, or the default profile icon depending on your setup. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Within this drop-down menu, you'll find the current language setting displayed. By default, this might be set to US vertical bar English, but depending on your region, it could be different. Click on the language setting to proceed. After clicking on your current language setting, you'll be taken to a page that allows you to adjust your account preferences. Here, look for the select language option or something similarly named. This part of the settings is where you can choose the new language you want to use for your Mailchimp account. Clicking on select language will reveal a list of available languages. Mailchimp supports a variety of languages, so scroll through the list until you find the one you prefer. Once you've found it, simply click on it to select it. This action will change the interface language of your Mailchimp account to your chosen language, and just like that, you've successfully changed the language setting of your Mailchimp account. It's as easy as logging in, navigating to your profile, and selecting the new language you wish to use. Remember, changing the language setting will alter the language of the Mailchimp interface, making it more accessible if English is not your first language, or if you're more comfortable in another language for business communications. Before we wrap up, a couple of quick tips to ensure a smooth process. If you encounter any issues logging in or navigating the Mailchimp dashboard, make sure to check your internet connection and that you're using a supported web browser. Also, consider updating your browser to the latest version for the best experience. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and straightforward. Changing the language in Mailchimp is a simple but powerful way to customize your experience and enhance your workflow, especially in a multilingual team or market. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Mailchimp's support team or consult their extensive knowledge base for more information. Happy emailing!